Good afternoon. I'm Nancy Dodge from YB Stamp. I was out doing my yard work and the mail lady came and she brought my paper pumpkin. I was so excited I had to come in and share it with you. So here we go. For those of you that don't know what this is, it's an all-inclusive kit. Comes with its own ink spot, basic gray, and stamp. Let me see if I can find a dark piece of... Is that better? There you go. And it's got some butterflies. And the sayings are sending loving thoughts your way, everything will be okay, and surrounding you with love. I love butterflies. For those of you that don't know, that's why my business is called YB Stamp, meaning yellow butterfly. It has some family significance. And in addition to that, the yellow butterfly is a sign of creativity. So everything comes shrink wrapped, or pretty much shrink wrapped, I should say. I see some Lost Lagoon and some gold butterflies. Let's see what else is in here. I love doing these kits every month. And for those of you that think, gee, I don't need kits, there's so much more that you can do with kits. And for people that are into card making or would like to get into it, this is the perfect segue. So it's got coordinating envelopes. I love the gold. See the gold butterflies? And dimensionals, which make things pop up just a little off your card front. And then the card fronts, let's see, we've got Lost Lagoon in gold. Well, these are pretty. I'm always here for you. Those are pretty. Ooh, this looks interesting. I like that. The gold accent. And then some white with the gold. And just gold pieces. And some two-tone butterflies. Those are really pretty. Look at that. Can you see all the different colors in there? Maybe not. Let me turn another light on. Now that's really shiny. Can you see all the different colors in there? It's really pretty. And then some gray with the gold butterflies. Ooh, look at these die cuts. Can you really see now you can see more of the color in those butterflies. And some banners. Oh, look at these. I love butterflies. This is great. Look at that. And we're going to have so much fun putting this together. And then little glue dots to help glue things together. Now this piece of cardstock is in here so that no matter where you are, you always have a smooth, flat surface to stamp on. You know, a lot of the craft tables have a little bit of texture to it. All right, this is the insert to put in with your stamps. See? Matches. And this is the little flyer that comes with it. So here are the 3 cards. Looks like 3 of each. You see them? Delicate Wings. And it has everything you need, so it tells you what things to gather for that card, what things to gather for that card, what things to gather for that card. And then it breaks it down. Card number 1. Take this, bend this, and flap the wings up and put dimensionals on the back and stick it on the front. And then stick it on the front of the, with the tear and tape, which is this, on the front of the card. Card number 2, it has you stamp a banner. Was there a banner here to stamp? No, because it already had it on the die cut. Stamp the banner with this ink. Put some tear and tape on all those pieces, and then this is how you put them all together. Card number 3, it has you stamp the sentiment, and then looks like it has you stamp another butterfly to make 3 on that one panel, wherever it is. Here. So it has you stamp another one here. And then using dimensionals, put it all together, put it on the card front, and there you go with card number 3. The directions also give you on the back all the colors that are in here. It says it contains supplies for 9 cards and 9 envelopes. Basic Beige, Basic Gray, Lost Lagoon, Moody Mauve, and Champagne. Now, also for April, May, and June, this additional die set can also work with your set. So I have that. The Love of Spring, is that right? I just bought it. No, that's last month's. Must be this one. Thanks and Beyond. So these dies will work with, yep, April, May, and June's Paper Pumpkin Kit. So there you go. I hope those of you that got the kit will be able to join me on the 28th at 7 o'clock on Zoom. Contact me for a link. And if you did not get this kit, you won't want to miss out for May's kit. Order it by May 10th. The link is on my website. Thank you and have a great day.